Hello friends, this recipe on fruits and biscuits dessert is a lovely dessert recipe, chocolate flavored, and will be loved by all of y'all. So let's begin. The ingredients that are required for making this dessert are, so here we see the ingredients: apple nicely chopped, banana nicely chopped, crushed almonds, milk and custard powder, hide-and-seek biscuit packet, and chocolate syrup. Now let's take milk and 3 teaspoon custard powder. Slowly start adding the milk in the custard powder, seeing that no knots are formed, and make a thick paste of custard. So now we have the custard paste ready, and now we can use this to make our custard for the dessert. Here we have taken 1 liter milk. Bring it to a boiling, nicely boil the milk, and once the milk is boiled nicely, we will add this custard powder into it. So here the custard powder paste is mixed in the milk, and bring it to a boil and keep stirring continuously so that no knots are formed. Just stir for 1 or 2 minutes and take it down. Here we have our custard. We have taken in the bowl, and now let it cool down outside for some time, and then you can put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours so that it is nicely chilled. Here we go with our dessert. We have all the ingredients ready. We have this crushed hide-and-seek biscuits powder. Taking the first layer spread the biscuits powder, add the base, uh, spread it nicely at the bottom, and after this the second layer you will put of fruits. These are the bananas that I am spreading over it. Put nice bananas really healthy, full of potassium. And now put the apples, and really if you want you can put any fruit that you love. You can put alfonsos, you can put kiwi, you can put pomegranate, and now we are putting the almond crust powder. So the third layer will be of the custard. So this is a thick custard that we have made. Just mix it properly, and now spread it over it. This is the custard. This is unsweetened custard. As the biscuits were there, we have not put in sugar in this. Yes, this is the custard layer. After this, again, we'll follow with the biscuit powder. This biscuit powder of hide-and-seek gives you a very beautiful taste. It gives you a little taste of cake and a little taste of chocolate, and overall makes it a very yummy dessert. So we have spread the biscuit layer. Again, now the fruits layer. These are the apples and the bananas. And in this season, if you have the alfonsos, mangoes, you can put the mangoes. It will give you a lovely taste. So we have the apples, and again the crushed almonds. Nuts also can be put. If you want, you can put full pieces of nuts also. That is your choice. You can put walnuts, you can put almonds. Now again we put the custard layer. So overall 2 piled up layers: biscuit, fruit, custard, biscuit, fruit, custard. And now we are just going to decorate at the top. The remaining this is the crushed biscuits, crushed almonds, and what are the remaining fruits that you can put. And finally, the topping of chocolate syrup. It's going to give a lovely taste to it. So here our fruit and biscuit dessert is ready. A yummy look. Just taste it. You'll love it. You can have variations in this dessert by changing the flavor of the biscuits. You can use Oreo, Marie biscuits as per your choice. But this is the best.